So I'm going to add the padding to my header, 10 pixels, because you never want anything to go right up directly to the edge. It looks very amateur. Now the next thing I'm going to deal with is the nav bar, but to start off on that, I'm going to put in my navigation, which are 4 different web pages. It was home, about, oops, let me capitalize these, portfolio, and, oops, dictating to myself. And to get that set up correctly, to make this correct, what I need to do is create links. So I'm going to do UL, and then close that off here. I'm going to go ahead and give these spaces. So my home is in LI. About LI. So that my nav is set up as a list item, which we'll fix with the CSS in just a minute.